Hey, um, I'm sitting on the bench here at my workplace outside because I completely forgot to make a answer back email stating that I wouldn't be in the office. Automatic reply that I wouldn't be in the office for the next week. So I have to do that. As I was on my way out here, I got two separate messages from two separate people on Facebook asking me about movie therapy that I was talking about in one of my other videos. Well, first off, movie therapy, that's my go-to thing. A lot of people, a lot of professionals trust CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. I never was a big fan of cognitive behavioral therapy because it seemed that that's what everybody wants to prescribe, that's what everybody does. So when I was in my classes at Lindsay and we had to do our role play, client, uh, client therapist role play, and we had to write our papers, I don't think I ever did one using CBT. Movie therapy, for me personally, is my way to go. I believe that if I had the time to invest into watching movies a lot, that bouts of depression would be less. Now, when I say movie therapy, this last round of depression that I was in, I went out, I walked, I did my thing, I started feeling a little better, but I was still not back to myself. So I picked an evening when it was one of those when I didn't do a video, and I watched two movies right back to back. The first one was called A Trip to Bountiful with Miss Geraldine Page. And the second one was a movie by a Canadian film company called Strangers in Good Company. I tell you, look those up. They're really good movies. But that's the kind of movies that help me heal. Another one that I like to watch when I'm in one of these depressive states is Memoirs of a Geisha. Another one it's a very long made-for-TV movie / series. It's called The Pillars of the Earth. Oh, now that one is something else. But the kind of movies that I like that really help are the ones that are very intricate, that you have to follow very closely, and that have situations within situations that become resolved at the end. Now, The Pillars of the Earth has a situation in a situation in a situation in a situation, and they become resolved in the end. But those are the kind of movies that I like, and that's my movie therapy. So there you go. Hopefully my next video will be from vacation. I might do one tomorrow before I go on vacation. I might actually get out and try a hike. It was supposed to rain, but can you see the sky? It is 100% completely, totally clear. And I'm hoping that they will be wrong this week for my vacation. So anyway, but I will be filming while I'm on vacation. And hopefully you'll come along with me. I'll see you then. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.